Hello everyone, see I'm here again to teach you this story, the chapter about my family. So in last video and previous and in yesterday class I've taught you about much more about the families. Like we live with families, we take care, we share everything, we help each other in family members, and we have two types of family members. Small family, that means parents and their children live together, that family are called small family, or that families are called also nuclear family. And I taught you about the uncle and aunt, that uncle is what? A brother of our mother and fathers, that is called our uncle. And a husband of our aunt is also called a uncle. Next is about the aunt, that a sister of our mother and father, they are that is called our aunt. In fact, the wife of our aunt is also called, the wife of our uncle is also called aunt. And I told in last videos about the families, that the family is what? We should always help everyone in the family, and we have to take care of one another. And in fact, I have taught you about the joint family, also about the cousins. Cousins is what? The children of our uncles and aunts, that are called our cousins. Joint family is what? In our joint family, suppose if grandparents are there, parents, uncle, aunt and their children's cousins are there, that family are called joint family, as well as we can call large family also. And I have told you about the topic about the role of the family, that we live in a family, we live together as a family. In fact, every person has a special role in our family members. Like our parents, like mother and father, they just take care of our needs, like what we need, and they cook food for us, they just look after us when we are sick, they help us with our studies. In fact, they play also with us. Sometimes our parents, grandparents, like grandfather and grandmother, they also stay with us. In fact, they play with us also, they go for walking also, and they tell us a story also. And I told you that in this video I will tell you about the topic fun with the family, page number 18. If you have the book, then please open and keep one pencil in your hand. So let's go, here we go. Being a part of a family is a lot of fun. Yes, it's a lot of fun. So what? If you are a family member, it means what? There is a lots of fun. If any celebrations are there, if any birthday parties, wedding occasionally are there, then we will feel very happy. It will just like a fun, too much lots of fun are there. So we do many things together and have lots of fun at home. So when the joint families are there, if they come together in a house and they lived, that time we have what? We have a lots of fun at home. Means after that, if families are there, then we can forget about our friend also. So family members is what? It's a very important in our life. Next, we celebrate special days such as birthdays and festivals together. So in a joint family, what? Suppose if one person birthday are there, so then we are calling all the cousins, all the relatives. So if birthdays are there and any festivals are there, then we have a lots of fun together and we are celebrating it in a very good manner. It means it's like a love to each other, share our loves with each other. We have parties at home where we invited our friends and relatives. So it means what? That there are some parties we are just holding some parties, we are just giving some parties, and there we are inviting our friend and relatives. So that moment, that time is also, that was a very good memories, and that was also very lots of fun. Next, sometimes we go for an outing to a movie or picnic together as a family. So sometimes, suppose especially we are going on Sundays, because on Sundays all the fathers, their duties are off. So especially we are planning to go outside to watch the movie, or to go the zoo or picnic together with a family. So We may also go to the zoo or circus. Means sometimes we are going to the zoo also with family members, and sometimes we are going to watch the circus also. And sometimes we stay at home and play together. And sometimes if we don't go outside, then sometimes we just stay at home and we are enjoying a lot with playing with each other in a family members. Have you ever been to a circus with your family? So have you ever gone to a circus with your families? Here is one question that you know, not me. So please think, and whenever this school, you just write down yes or no. Nothing more important, you just write down in book only. Next page is 19. We enjoy celebrations together. So mostly we enjoy family with what? We enjoying lots of celebrations together, like festivals, birthday parties. So these we enjoyed a lot. Weddings are occasions when all family members get together. What weddings are? What it is occasionally. So what? There all the peoples came for the 10-12 days and they live together, and there are lots of funs are there. So wedding is what? It is a special occasions when all the family members get together and they sit and they enjoy a time also. Next, enjoy themselves and have lots of fun. So in our wedding also they enjoy themselves and they have lots of fun with family members. There is music and dance and a lot of food to eat. So in wedding is what? You especially see that there is a music, loud music, then dances are there, and then lots of good foods are there. Lots of good food to eat in wedding. Next, these are moments of fun. So that moment is very good moments in our life, and that moment is also very fun. And everybody enjoyed themselves, and in fact everybody they enjoyed themselves. Like suppose in your house also if weddings are there, then enjoyed lots. You have so much excitement about the weddings, about the new dress, about the food. So these all is what? It's like a happiness of the families. So there we are enjoying a lot and living together for a few days, and we have lots of funs. So here we go, your chapter has completed, and I hope you guys has understood the chapter. So here is 6 new words. I am going to tell you the spelling. If you have the book, then you can write down from the book. If you don't, most people if they don't have, then please find out the meaning from the dictionary. So first word is nuclear family. I am telling you the spelling, just write down. N as a nose, U as an umbrella, C as in car, L as in lion, E as an ear, A as an apple, and R as an rose. So your word comes like NUCLEAR, nuclear. Next is family. FAMILY, family, nuclear family. Next word is cousins. Write down the spelling. C as in car, O as an orange, U as an umbrella, S as in sun, I as an ice cream, N as a nose, and S as an like S1 son. So your word comes like COUSINS, cousins. Next word is joint family. So write down the spelling. J as in jar, O as an orange, I as an ink, N as a nose, and T as a tiger. So your word comes like JOINT, joint family. I think I have told you. Again I am repeating, so you can just write down. FAMILY, family. Next word is celebrate. Write down the spelling. C as in car, E as an umbrella, E as an ear, L as in lion, E as an eye, B as in bat, R as in rose, A as an apple, T as in tiger, and E as an eye. So your word comes like CELEBRATE, celebrate. Next word is festival. Write down the spelling. F as in fast, E as in ear, S as in sun, T as in tiger, I as in ice cream, V as in van, A as in apple, and L as in lion. So your word comes like Festival, festival. And your last word is circus. Write down the spelling. C as in car, I as in ice cream, R as in rose, again C as in count, U as an umbrella, and S as in sun. So your word comes like CIRCUS, circus. So only this much words are there. You have to find out. If you have the book, then write down from the book new word. If you don't, then please find out the word meaning from the dictionary and write down in SST copy. Thank you and have a nice day.